This creamy, cheesy pasta went viral for a reason. Just bake, mix, and enjoy. It's so easy you'll wonder why you didn't try it sooner. 1 block of feta cheese. Eat 2 cups cherry tomatoes. 2 cloves garlic, chopped. 1/4 cup olive oil, salt, pepper, and chili flakes. 1/2 teaspoon oregano. 200 grams pasta. Any kind you like, fresh basil, optional, and if it's in the market. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. In a baking dish, place the block of feta in the center. Surround it with cherry tomatoes and garlic. Drizzle olive oil all over. Add salt, pepper, chili flakes, and oregano. Now bake this for 30 minutes until the tomatoes burst and the feta is golden and soft. Meanwhile, boil your pasta and save a little pasta water. Take out the dish from the oven. Use a spoon to mash the feta and tomatoes into a creamy sauce. Add your cooked pasta and a splash of pasta water. Mix everything until it's perfectly coated. Top with fresh basil if you have it. And that's it. Your creamy baked feta pasta is ready to enjoy. This recipe is lazy-proof and always delicious. Make it once and it'll be your go-to dinner. Tag someone who needs to try this. Subscribe for more easy recipes every week.